Good morning, students. Our fourth lesson, operation on fraction, is going on. In the last lecture, we saw the addition and subtraction of mixed number. Today we are going to see the showing fraction on the number line. Okay, let's see, this is the scale. Okay, in this scale there are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In between these two numbers there are small 10 lines, means there is 10 equal parts in between two numbers. So it is easy to mark the fraction. It means if the fraction is 4 upon 10. Let's see, these are the 10 marks in between two numbers. So fourth mark from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 4 upon 10. Now we know the 3 completes 7 upon 10. So this is a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this number is 3 complete 7 upon 10. Okay, it means after the 3, 7th line. So it is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10 and 3 complete 7 upon 10 on the number line, because on the scale every centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. In the first unit, the fourth mark from 0 shows the fraction 4 upon 10. The 7th mark of the 10 equal parts after a 3 between the numbers 3 and 4 shows the fraction. These 3 complete 7 upon 10. Let us show the fraction 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 7 upon 3 on the number line. Let's see. First, draw a number line. See, this is a number line. On that number line, take numbers from here 0. Okay, take on equal distance some points. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here our question is, let us show the fraction 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 on number line. Here in between two numbers, first make it 3 equal parts. Okay, see here in between 0 and 1 there are 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the equal parts. Now first 2 upon 3. Second part from the 0, 1 and 2. So this is 2 upon 3. Now 4 upon 3 from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3 from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the 7 upon 3. On the number line, every unit divided into 3 equal parts, and you can show why we divide that numbers in 3 equal parts, because these numbers having denominator 3. Let's see the next question. Let's see this number line. what the fraction do the point into the box on the number lines below. Let's see here. This is 0, 1 and 2. In between two digits, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 equal parts are there. It means that number having denominator 6. Okay, after that see, 1 means 6 upon 6. 6, 6 get cancelled. Answer is 1. 12 upon 6. 6 1 the 6, 6 to the 12. So answer is 2. So instead of 2 we wrote here 12 upon 6. Instead of 1 we wrote here 6 upon 6. 6 upon 6 means 1 and 12 upon 6 means 2. Now fill the boxes. In 2 digits there are 6 parts equal. It means denominator is 6. And this is the second part from the 0. So this box is 2 upon 6. Now let's see this box. Start measures from the counting from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this point is 8 upon 6. Now count this box from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this number denoted 15 upon 6. Okay, write down. If there are 5 equal parts between 2 digits, then their denominators are 5. If there are 3 equal parts in between 2 digits, so their denominator is 3, like this. If 2 equal parts in 2 digits, then their denominator is 2. Now solve this question. What fraction do the point ABC shows on the number lines below? Let's see, there is 0 and 1. In between 0 and 1 there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts. It means these numbers having denominator 4. Now let's count the point from the 0. 1, 2, 3. So this point is 3 upon 4. Now point B from 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So point 6 denoted the 6 upon 4. Now point C. Count point C from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So point C is denoted 9 upon 4. Same examples are in practice set 11. This is your homework. Solve practice set 11. The first question is like this. To show the fraction to the points. And here question number 2. To show the following fractions on the number lines like this. Draw a line. Take a digits on equal distance. And which denominator is here? That it make equal parts in between 2 digits. For example,